Hey beautiful guitarist! Today we're going to work on the C major scale. It's also great for ear training. The notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C and corresponds to all the white keys on a piano. We start at the A string, 2nd fret. The tempo is 40 BPM. We repeat this 5 times. 3, 4. At the end, we'll start right back from the beginning. Yeah, good. Come on, keep it up. Good, don't stop. Yeah, good. Keep going. Last time. Okay, good job. Now we start at the end of this scale, on the G string at the 5th fret. We repeat this 5 times. The tempo is still 40 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end, we start right back from the beginning. Yeah, good. Making mistake is not a crime. Keep going, don't stop. Good. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. I make them too. Yeah, good. Come on, keep going. Last round. Good. Good. So now let's do 4 repetitions of this up and down. The tempo is still 40 BPM. And now from here back again. Okay. Making mistake is not a crime. Come on. Good. Keep going. And back. Yeah, good. And again. Keep going. Last time. Good. Good. All right, good. Now we speed up the tempo at 50 BPM. Let's do 5 repetitions of this up and down. Okay, good. Keep going. And back. Yeah, good. Good. Don't stop. Keep going. Last time. Come on. All right. Good. So now 4 repetitions up and down at 60 BPM. Okay, good. Keep going. Don't stop. Yeah, good. Good job. Good. So now the last 5 repetitions up and down at 70 BPM. Good. Keep going. Yeah, don't stop. All right. Come on, keep going. last round, come on. Good job. Okay, thank you for watching and let me know if this exercise brings you near to your free playing. And don't forget, playing guitar is not a one-night stand. It's a never-ending love story. See you next time. Ciao, ciao. And yes, this video was handmade by real people.